Hello, my dear students. So, how are you? Hope you are doing very well, sir. Okay. So, welcome back to our class. Name Avinash classes. So, this day we are learning the skill, and name of that skill is what? Vedic Maths. So, today we are in the second last topic of the level 3. Okay. Actually, we have to complete the level 1 last week also. Okay. But what happened, due to some issue we miss one class, and there is a one good topic that I not want to teach in rush way, not in hurry. Okay, so I decided to take some time and teach you properly. And what you are learning now, please try to do when you are doing the your school maths. Okay, because if you keep in practicing, you never forget. Otherwise, what happens? You forget after 1 or 2 months. Okay, so the student who are watching this video first time, I requested to kindly go in my playlist and watch from the initial only. Why you are saying like this? Because actually this is not a video. This is class. I am not like that teacher who come and teach 1-2 classes, give 1-2 concept and go. No, I am taking a regular Vedic classes. Okay, I start with day 1 and going to end at day near about 25. Okay, so today we are on the 19th day. So if you complete the course na, complete the subject, then it is beneficial for you. Okay, so please, the student who are watching regularly, like Ayushvi, Ananya and all these things, so that's very good. Okay, and I just want to announce the student of the week, last week, this third week. Okay, so first of all, I want to congratulate Saryu and Ayushvi. Okay, amazing. These two na continuous 3 times week of the student. Okay, so hat trick. So I say clap for yourself. All of you, please clap. Okay, and also I want to take one new student name whose name is Soria. Soria is also trying to become a student of the week from last 2 weeks, but this time he become. Okay, and this time Ananya and Arus missed that opportunity because first time they both are the student of the week. But no need to worry. I understand there is some function and some program, that's why you are busy, but no need to worry. Okay, so what the remaining, just leave, and today we start with the fresh one. Okay, and today fresh topic also. Okay, before that we are doing the multiplication. After that we learn how to find square, how to find a square of 2-digit number, a square of 3-digit number. But today I am going to teach division. Okay, this is completely new for us. No, sir, one class you teach. Okay, division of 5, 25 and 125 we learn. Okay, so here this is good, but there is a condition. This should be divided with either 5, either 25, 125. If other number comes, then what will happen? So today we are going to learn master formula. If any other number come, we will do with what we are going to learn today only. Okay, so please always sit with notebook and pen and watch this video very carefully, because this is going to be very interesting. Understand? So are you ready? Everyone say yes. Yeah, in comment section write yes. Everyone, I want to see yes in the next comment section. Okay, so let's start. So first we learn division. Okay, by single digit, by 1 digit. Okay, 1 digit means what? Like any number. Here I'm writing 4, 6, 8. We have to divide with either 1, either 2, either 3, either 4, either 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all are single digit number, and all table we know. We know table of 3, table of 4, table of 5. So we can go division very easily. Okay, we can do division by this number very easily. So for this, no need to learn any concept. Suppose that here 5 into 10 is the requirement of any concept? No, sir, it's very simple. 50, sir. Okay, like that. But the when problem come, when we do with 2-digit number. Okay, 2-digit number, almost everyone learn the table till 20. So till 20, no problem. Okay, suppose I say 48 divide with 32. So now problem comes, sir, because we not know 32 table, we not know 64 table, we not know 58 table. Till 20 it's okay, no problem. So if you go with, if you know the table, then you can go with that method, fine. But such type of question, 48 divided with 32. So what we will do? So today we are going to learn, we divide the division into 2 parts. in today's part, we are going to learn 2-digit number divide with 2-digit number. Okay, and next part what we will learn, 3-digit number divide with 2-digit number. Okay, so slowly we start. So here, so first here 48. So here we write 48. Try to understand how to do this. Okay, and here 32. So from bottom we write here 3 2. Okay, and one master formula. What we have to learn? First, division, multiplication, subtraction. Please remember this. We have to follow this one. What we have to follow? Division, multiplication, subtraction. Every cases, what we have to follow? First division, then multiplication, then subtraction. Sir, I understand. That's very simple, sir. Division, multiplication, subtraction. But, sir, where we have to do division? Where we have to do multiplication? Where we have to do subtraction? Please tell me these things. Okay? So, right now I'm going to tell same thing. So, start from the bottom. So, first here we do division. Now multiplication. I will teach where we have to do subtraction. Below that, put one line, make one box. Here what we get answer, that is known as the quotient, and here we get remainder. Already we know that when adding this, this is not completely division. We are knowing these things. So here what happens? Division what happens? Quotient can remain. So here few remainder will come. Remainder what comes? Now check with 3. 3. So how many times go? Sir, 3 times 1 is 3. If you go 3 times 2, because we know 3 table. So 3 times 2 is 6. That is greater now. So here we take 1 time. So here what we write? 1. If you write 1 here, so 4 minus 3, what we get remainder? 1. So we write 1 here. Understand? Now next step. Next step what we have to do? 3 here. We multiply this one. What we get? These 2 multiply. So 2 times 1 is 2. So we write here 2. What we write here? 2. See, division we completed. Now multiplication completed. Now time for subtractions. So here we assume this is 1, 8, 18. Now 18 minus 2. So what we get here? 16. 18 minus 8, what we get here? 16. So here when we divide 48 divide with 32. So what we get here? Quotient as 1 and remainder as 16. Okay, this is our answer. You can go and check. Understand? Sir, I not understand. Please explain me again. Okay, so we do with some other example. So right now I'm taking here. I'm taking a very common example. So in your book, the first question is 78 divided with 32. So here we write 78 divided with 32. Okay, sir. I understand how to do this question. So first you expand 7, 8. You write here 7. Any problem? No, sir. No any problem. Now what we start here? 3, 2. From bottom we write 3, 2. And always follow. What we have to do? Sir, first we have to division, then multiplication, then subtraction. This we have to follow. Now put one line here, one line here, one line here. Already told, here what we get, that is quotient, and here what we get, that is remainder. Now first step, division, and here multiplication. Now check in 3 tables, 7 go how many times? Sir, 7 not go. So which number come just less than 7 in 3 tables, sir? Sir, it's come 6, sir. How many times 6 come? 2 times. So here we are writing 2. Okay, and what we get remainder? 1. So here we write 1. Now this become 1, 8, 18. Now we multiply up and down. Please understand the concept. Okay, here it's very important, sir. We know that division, multiplication, subtraction. Where we have to do division, where we have to do multiplication. This is very important. So be like that. So here what we get, that multiply. So 2 times 2, what we get here? 4. So we write here 4 and then do subtraction. 18 minus 4, what we get here? 14. What we get here? 14. Understand or not? Yes, sir. Little bit I understand. Okay. Now, sir, explain me another question. Okay. So I'm taking from your book only. So already I hope till page number 28 everyone completed. So we start with the division. When you open this book now, So there are the two part of division, part 1 and part 2. So part 1, what we are doing? We are dividing with 2-digit number. So in today class, we are learning how to divide with 2-digit number. 1-digit number is very easy, that already we know. 2-digit number today we are learning, and next day we learn the 3-digit number. Okay. After that, what we have to learn? We have to learn few about the ratio. After that, we have to learn about cube root, square root. That completed. Square already we learn. Square root we have to find, and cube root we have to find. So almost we are at the end of our course. So now I'm taking another example. Now I'm taking 3-digit number with 2-digit number. 278 divided with 39. Okay. Now here when we are doing the multiplication, at that time we divide into two parts, 1, 2. But here division. So we divide 2, 1. Here we write 27 and here we write 8. And here 3, 9. Hope you understand this format. Here we write the question part, here we write the remainder. And simple, division, multiplication, subtraction. So here division, multiplication. Now check in 3 table, 27 come how many times? Sir, 3 table, 27 is completely divisible. How many times? 9 times. What we write here? 9. So that I understand, no problem. So if you write 9, so your remainder is 0, na? So we write here 0 only. Now here you multiply 9 times 9. So 9 times 9 is what? 81. Sir, but here the one problem. Please concentrate everyone. So it comes 0 or 8. So that is 8 only. If I say 0, it means 8 only, na? In that 81 we have to subtract. Is this possible? No, sir. Answer come negative. Now the problem come na. So try to understand this concept. So here what we do, we not go 9 times. We try to go 8 times. Why? Because we have to increase this number. So if you go 8 times, then what happens? 3 times 8 is 24. So remainder 3, so we write here 3. Because after doing subtraction, we get 3 here. So instead of 0, here we write 3. Sir, again I am checking, sir. 38 minus 81. Sorry, here 9 8 is 72 come. What it come? 72. Again, this is not possible, sir. Again, it create problem. So what we do? We take 7 times. One by one we check. How many times we go here? 7 times. So 3 times 7, that is 21. What we write here? 21. Now 27 minus 21, what we get here? 6. So this becomes 68. Yes, sir. And here 9 times 7. So that is what? 63. Yeah. So now we can do subtraction. Now we can take. So we have to see, we check with the highest number. If subtraction not seems possible, then we come one by one down. Okay. So now 68 minus 63. So what we get here? 5. So here quotient is 7 and remainder is 5. Understand? Understand? Done na? Okay. So understand. So first we divide into how many part? 2 part. First 2 number, 1 number 2. Sir, please explain me one more question. Okay. So I am going to explain one more question. I am taking the example from your book only, so you can understand better. Yeah. Now third example, that is 7 8 8 divided with 60. Okay. So here we are dividing to how many part? 2 part. So first part have the 2 digit, other part 1 digit. So here we write 78 and 8. And here 62, so we write here 6 and 2. That we make the format. Yes, sir. This is the quotient part, this is the remainder part. Just make this format. And always follow division, multiplication, subtraction. So first we are going with division. Now tell me, in 6 table, so it come 1 times 6, 1, 8, 6, 3 ja 18. Okay, now problems, and try to understand. Here it's come 0. But if you multiply 13 times to 26, So is this possible to subtract 26? No, na? Then what we will do here? We take one time less. Means we take how many times? 12 times. So 12 6 ja 72. 12 6 ja 72. Now here we get 6. So now we write here 6. So it become 68. What it come? 68. See, in 13 times it completely divisible. But when we are going like that, then subtraction not happening. So now we take here 6 times. Instead of taking 13 times, we take here 12 times. Now in 6 12 ja 72. So we write here 72, 6 we write here. Now we multiply these two. So 12 times 2, 24. Now subtraction is possible. Yes, it is possible. So 8 times 4. So that is 4 only. And here it comes 4 times 2. Sorry, 6 times 2. Not times means subtraction. Okay. 8 minus 4, that is 4. And 6 minus 2, that is 4. So here remainder is what? 44. So it means that when we divide here 7, 8, 8 divided with 62. So in that scenario, quotient come as 12 and remainder come as 40. Understand? Yeah, very easy, na? Yes, sir. So today what we are learning, we have to divide 2-digit number, 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Understand? Yeah, so we see what